How to fix your page settings. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find or how to fix all your page settings. So first thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it. Now go to your page by click on those three lines and you're gonna find your page beside your profile. If you didn't find it here, just click on pages and you're gonna give you pages you manage. Click on your page, the page you want to find their settings. Here you're gonna find setting icon beside the search icon up there. Click on it and this is your page settings. You have general, page info, messaging, anything. Just click on it and you're gonna find these options. You can fix these options by pin page, messenger, allow posts and stories, remove page, similar page suggestions, turn on or off this option whatever you want. Or connect your page with your Instagram or WhatsApp by click on Instagram or WhatsApp, whatever you want, and this is your settings. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.